Hi boys and girls, it's Shane, and we're going to look at buying this house right here. There's Jennifer. I think this is going to be an incredible deal, but let's find out.
You're so beautiful. I love your style.
So your name's
Different.
Monique?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
Shane.
Nice to meet you.
Isn't she
Shane.
cute? All right, we're going to look around the outside real quick first.
You're booming.
So we've got this garage here. This is a very desirable neighborhood here in Fort Smith. You can the river is that way, maybe 2 blocks. We'd be right at the river. So we got a lot of really cool homes in this neighborhood. I really like that one there. It's always good when you find real estate in a good neighborhood. But $25,000, and it'd probably be worth about $315,000. But we'd be looking at $25K down and no credit check or anything involved whatsoever. So there's the heating and air unit over there. Let's see inside. Let's look in the attic before we get started on the outside of the house here. I'll have to turn on a light as we go. All right. So we got some fiberglass insulation. Fireplace that goes up here. See a lot of Romex wiring. You know, that joint there should be in a box, but that's not that major of a thing to fix. So while we look at this, tell me, how much would you give for a house like this in your area, in your neighborhood? How much do you think this house is worth total? Would you buy a house like this? That's kind of a cool feature right there. Yeah, a little foundation cracking. It's been repaired. Definitely shifted some on the bottom, and we'd expect to see that down here close to the river bottoms. They said this unit was only 5 years old. I do think that's an incorrect statement. So this is going in the front door here. The colors are bright and cheery.
Oh, I love it.
You want to pull that door too behind us?
Yeah. Would it be just a regular door?
Hi, Shane.
Was the screen door open before?
I just pulled the screen doors all.
Okay, I'll close it.
Okay, let's see. So now from this we go into the kitchen. Okay, I like the cabinets. This is this makes me feel 80s right here. We've got the fluorescent lighting that would be recessed, and normally you'd have panels that would hang over that. We have another house that had the kitchen remodeled at that point in time.
Oh, that's different.
And it'd be pretty similar. Let's zoom out so you can see it better.
Separation here.
What's that?
The separation there.
Yeah, that wouldn't be very important because it'd be normally, you know, you'd have the drop-in panels.
Mm-hmm.
But we can see some cracking that's happened up there. All right. So this is. You're okay. Looks like some shiplap walls that have been put in. Yep. We got the backyard back here. It's all privacy fenced, it looks like. Oh, there's a handle on it. We'll go the other way around here in a minute.
Oh,
What do you got, dear?
we're supposed to take our shoes off.
Oh, I didn't realize till just then. Okay, this way to the garage. So we got laundry area. And then this would be the garage we were in a little bit ago.
This is something.
I will take my shoes off too. Carpets. Okay, so now we're going down this hallway. Here. Closet. Bathroom. Okay, so this is quite a bit of, there's a lot of space over here, like there was a bath or something at some point, or shower that was planned, but it's not there now. I'm not exactly sure.
There's a little panel.
Oh, that's bright. Yeah, it looks like an access panel. So I'm not exactly sure what that's for. Now let's take a look in here. Heating and air. So the furnace is newer. The outdoor air conditioner, I think, is a little older. Quite a bit of storage.
We have a Jack and Jill bathroom.
We got a barn door closet, or barn door bathroom door, I guess. Okay, so this bathroom. Hi, Shane. And relatively basic surround, a little bit of discoloration. Another access to the backyard. I like that it has more than one access to the backyard.
That's nice.
There are two accesses.
Well, you could put a hot tub or something outside the door.
Right? We got a double-sided closet. Okay, so this is bedroom number 1. It looks like the main bedroom, right? And we've got bedroom number 2 back here. Okay. We have this, so this is a third bathroom. So it's 2.5 bath, I guess. 2.5 bath. Another pretty good sized closet. Like that's double-sided as well. Good closet layouts. I kind of like this old. So then from this area, we would be looking back at going into here. Grab my shoes, and we're going to go to the backyard. Privacy fence. Lots of big trees in the yard. We have vehicle access here. That's always a good thing in a backyard when you have vehicle access. Let's look at the roof line. That fireplace is real in this house. What do you think? Should we buy this? Would you buy this house? How much do you think it would go for where you're at? Let me know in the comments. The house does have an HOA, but it includes the usage of this nice big pool area as well as these tennis courts. And it's only about a block from the house, so it'd be a very short walk.